Hey girl, happy new year. It is officially January 1st. Y'all, it's insane. 2025 is crazy. So it's a little bit later. So this is the first video of 2025, y'all. I'm excited. So yeah, today is a Wednesday, January 1st. I just got finished getting dressed, y'all. I have on a little bit of blush, mascara. I did my hair. Y'all, this head was looking crazy, so I pushed it back into a ponytail. Me and my mom are about to hang out like we always do. We're about to go to this place called Kitchen and Cocktails. Y'all, I seen it on Chelsea's channel and I've been seeing it on TikTok. So yeah, my mom wanted to go, so we're gonna go. It's downtown, so y'all know how parking is. So hopefully we don't have to pay for parking. Hopefully we can like find something on the side, because we ain't got time. But yeah, we're gonna see what the vibes are there, y'all. It said come dress business casual, but baby, we're not doing that. So hopefully it's not gonna be no problems, because our reservation is at 1:15, so that's like really early. So I feel like, do I really have to dress up? Like, I don't know, I've never been here before, so I hope it's not like real dressy or anything like that, because I just literally, let me show you what I have on. Y'all, I have on that two-piece sweat suit that I got from Zara that I showed y'all in the last, well, 2 videos ago. So I just have on the sweatsuit, and then I have on my New Balances, and y'all, I'm carrying Old Faithful. Y'all already know the bag that I got from Marshalls. I carry this all the time, so we're gonna be carrying this. And then I'm gonna throw on a jacket because we are gonna be downtown and I know it's gonna be cold. Yeah, and then my earrings are from Pretty Little Thing. These are so cute, y'all. So yeah, I feel like I look cute. I'm just not dressed up for real. So we're gonna see y'all. But I'm about to go spray me some perfume on. I'm wearing Angel Share by Killian. Y'all, we love that scent. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and say Happy New Year. And yeah, I'll probably will see y'all once we get to the restaurant. I'm gonna try to record once we're in there and stuff. Yeah, so I'll see y'all a little bit later. I feel like my pants are a little bit too long, but it might not be that bad. Hopefully it don't be dragging for real, because they are a little bit long. But we're wearing Angel Share. Period. One thing about it, spray a lot, okay? So yeah, this is how we're looking. I need to buy me some more of these, because I really do like these 2 pieces. This is really cute. I just hate the pocket is like all the way over here, but it's cute. Hey girl, it's a little bit later, so we're back home. Y'all, I didn't even show y'all or take y'all with us to kitchen and cocktails, because we didn't even eat there. So we had got there. The parking was a little weird. I hate parking in the city. It's so annoying. So the parking was a little weird. We got there and then it was still a wait, even though we had reservations. It was still a wait, y'all. So we had ended up leaving, and girl, they called us back like an hour later and told us that our table was ready. An hour later. Like, what? So yeah, we're probably just gonna go there a different time. Today probably was just not the day, because it is basically like a holiday, like New Year's Day. Something is in my eye. But yeah, so we didn't go there. We ended up eating at this burger place. But anyway, y'all, went to Marshalls. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, because I'm about to do, I really want to do like a little reset. Like, I need to clean my room. I need to organize some things. I need to organize my drawers. I feel like I have too many like clothes that I do not wear. So I kind of want to like clean out my drawers and stuff like that. But I got me some stuff for my bathroom. So let me show y'all. Let me set y'all up. Well, first of all, yeah, I got me these bedroom slippers. These are so cute. The ones that I have that have like the little cute designs, I have one that has like avocado pieces on it. Another one has like lemon slices. They're really cute, but they get very dingy very fast. So I decided to get me some like this. This seems like it'll be a better quality. So we're gonna see y'all. But these were $8. They were on clearance for $8. I got a size small, size 5 through 6. So yeah, these are how these look. It's giving very much grandma, but I feel like it's gonna do the job because I just am tired of buying bedroom slippers, like bedroom shoes. I'm tired of that. So we got these, and then y'all, nothing special. I just got me another umbrella because all of my umbrellas are tore up. So I got me an umbrella. I got Bella some wipes because she's about to run out. And then, yeah, I got me this new shower, I got me this new shower caddy to go in my shower because the one that I have is kind of rusted, so it's time to throw that out. It's not really rusted except for on the soap part, so I probably would not have no soaps right here at all, y'all. Like, no soaps are going there. So yeah, we're about to put this up. This was $14.99. I feel like it should have been $12.99, but this is how it looks. It's really cute though. I like this. So yeah, y'all, we're about to put this up, then we're gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna organize and do all that. But I kind of want to do like some shower care with y'all. Let me show y'all what I got from Ulta. Did I show you what I got from Ulta? I think I did, like in the last vlog. Girl. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, I did not show y'all what I got from Ulta. I did not. Let me get my little stuff. Hold on. Because I want to show y'all this. It's me being all over the place. But yeah, I don't think I showed y'all, but I got me this moisturizing. I don't know why. Okay. No, that's not gonna work. I got me this moisturizing shaving oil. This is in a scent coconut lime. So we're gonna use this when we get in the shower because I want to shave my legs. I don't shave anywhere else on my body except for my legs. So we're gonna use this. I'm interested in seeing how this works. I've heard that this like makes your legs very, very soft. And then, y'all, I decided to try out Lemmy. So I have the Lemmy De-Bloat and the Lemmy Curb. Yeah, I have it in my little medicine tray, and you're supposed to take 2 of each a day, y'all. And it says prefer. I think you're supposed to take it with food. Yeah, they prefer you take it with food. I've already eaten, so I'm about to go ahead and take these. I got my water. I got 2 of those, 2 of each of these vitamins, and then I have my multivitamin. I have a magnesium pill, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Oh, Lordy. Let's take our pills. We're about to go into the bathroom. We're going to put up the shower caddy, and then we're going to get in the shower. We're going to shave our legs. We're going to do the whole thing. So, yeah, I will see y'all once we get in the shower. All night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Meditating, meditating, meditating,
Meditating, meditating, meditating, meditating.